So hello friends, this is our third video of HTML series. So welcome to Tech Lambda. So now we discuss about second module. This is our second module, understanding of HTML structure. So previously we discussed basic HTML structure. So in this video we discuss HTML elements and nesting. So what is HTML elements? HTML elements are the building blocks of a web page. Each element consists of a opening tag and closing tag. It means if you have opening tag, then must have closing tag. Elements can be nested inside other elements. Example for nesting like div. First is div tag. After that p tag. P is this is opening p tag, this is closing p tag. This is opening div tag and this is closing div tag. So next attribute. Common HTML attributes. Attributes provide additional information about elements. If you define any elements, that time they provide additional information. They are placed inside the opening tag. If you declare opening tag, after that you declare attribute. Like common attributes name like ID, class, src, href, all. So ID, unique identifier for a element. Unique identifier, it's defined unique identifier. Class. Class defines a class for CSS styling. If you add CSS styling for styling purpose, then you must add class attribute. SRC specifies the source of an image or media. If you want to add image or media, then you need to add on SRC attribute. Href, if you want to add any link, define the link for anchor tag. This is A for anchor tag. Alt provides the alternative text for image. Now we clear what is attribute. So basically two types of attributes available in HTML. Global attribute and specific attribute. Global attributes can be used with any HTML element. Example ID, class, style, data, like that. Specific attributes apply on the container elements like example src for image and video, href for linking. If you want to add any link form in web page, so by the help of anchor tag you easily add. Self closing tags plus container tags. So in HTML basically two type of tag like self closing tag and container tag. Self closing tag do not require a closing tag. It means we not need to require a closing tag. Only we need to require opening tag. Example image, br tag, input tag or hr tag. Container tags required both an opening tag and closing tag. It means if you define container tag, that time we need both type of tag. It means opening tag or closing tag, we need both tag. Like example p tag, we already declare in previous video what is p tag and what is div tag, what is h1 tag. So now we covered all theories. So now
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.